Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in. Today we're at Carden Beach Condominiums, just east of Christiansted on the North Shore. Mainland Luxury, island style. This is a beautiful waterfront, 3-bedroom, 2-bath unit, partially furnished, beautiful kitchen, just awaiting a new owner to finish it out the way they want to. Remember, these don't come on the market very often, and when they do, they sell fast. So if you're looking for a really nice, top-of-the-line waterfront condominium, this is your shot. Let's go check this out. Okay, we're starting out right at the parking area. And then to enter the unit, you can either go down these steps, beautiful stone steps with aluminum railings on either side. Or if steps are a problem, there's a ramp on this side, which makes it a lot easier if you're not into steps. Let's take the ramp. Okay, the steps are right there. So I've walked, about 30 feet down the sidewalk. And then here we are at the ramp. Really handy if you're moving furniture in, or you've got lots of groceries, or if you know somebody just doesn't like to deal with steps. This is an alternative way to get to the unit. There is a little cart there you can use to carry stuff. And then to the left there's another concrete ramp that leads down to the boardwalk. If you go down there and take a right, that'll lead you to the pool. Beautiful pool. But for now we're going to continue down the walkway and check out the unit. Such beautiful landscaping at Carden Beach. It's really just everywhere you look is just gorgeous, and you don't have to take care of it. That's a plus. All right, we turn left, head down the entranceway, unit 414, and look at this huge outdoor entry foyer. Got your gas grill here, and then here you are through the double French doors leading into this beautiful inside foyer with a custom granite inlay there. It's just beautiful. Kitchen to the right, guest bedrooms to the left, living room and master bedroom straight ahead. But first, let's check out the kitchen. Gorgeous custom kitchen, all granite countertops, leads out to the dining room straight ahead. Beautiful white cabinetry. And then another window here that above the sink gives you a nice view out into the gardens. Got your dishwasher, oven, microwave, cooktop here, and then a separate little wet bar. This is great for entertaining. You can set up the bar there and keep a little people away from the island area a little bit. And then here we are in the dining room. Again, beautiful custom railings there all throughout, and lots of light, lots of glass leading out to the view. So if you're entertaining people, dining right here, you're dining with a view. All right, while we're on this level, let's shoot back through the kitchen and check out the 2 guest bedrooms. Right off the foyer and down the guest wing. Now to your left is a utility closet with a utility sink, which is a real plus. This actually used to be the laundry room, but it was moved. I'll show you that in just a second. You continue down to the left, you've got a guest bedroom. And to the right, you've got one as well. So let's go in this one first. This one's set up as a queen. It's got dual windows in the corner, which are really nice for extra light and breeze. And then off to the right here is what used to be a big walk-in closet. Now it's closet on the right, full-size stacked washer dryer on the left. I think I like this design better because you gain that utility sink and additional storage in the hallway. And then here we are into bedroom number 2, set up as a twin. Now these originally were designed to be dual purpose rooms. It could be a bedroom or an office. There'd be a desk. Most of them had a built-in desk there, which you could put back or just put a piece of furniture. And then you would have an awesome view from the workstation. And they were open air. This owner put glass, so it keeps the sound out. So if you're going to use it as a bedroom, you might want to leave that in place. If it's going to be a full-time office, not as important. And as a bedroom, you can close these plantation shutters, and now you have complete privacy from both sound and visuals if you're going to use it as a bedroom. Nice room. And if you need a workspace, you're covered. Okay, we'll head back out, take a left into the guest bathroom. All beautiful cabinetry, gorgeous granite, lots of mirrors and light. And then this one has a tub and shower. Got granite tile all the way to the ceiling. Super nice guest suite. All right, that's the guest wing. Now let's head over to the master bedroom. Off in the far corner is the master suite. Beautiful high ceilings, king size bed, and check out all that glass for lots of light. These are double hung windows, so those open up if you want to go the breeze route, but check out that view. Just gorgeous. Looking right out at Buck Island. Got your own set of sliders out to the patio. And then off to this side, you've got the master bath. Come right in here. More beautiful granite tile, granite countertops, dual sinks, lots of mirrors, walk-in closet, and then a separate private water closet with a pocket door. Very nice. Gorgeous glass shower, about 7-foot glass walls, and you got dual showers, one for him, one for her. Lots of space in there. Beautiful. Another little linen closet off to the left. And then you come back out, straight into the living room. Beautiful. Look at how big this room is. I mean, you could furnish this however you want. That's looking back up to the office dual purpose room. Got your TV off in the corner. There's your dining area above. Notice the beautiful custom metal railings throughout. Very nice. And then here we are looking, you got a floor outlet there, and then straight out to this gorgeous, gorgeous view. All tiled with West Virginia slate here. Really pretty floor surface there. And then here we are, taking in the sound of the waves. View looking west. View looking east. And down below is the boardwalk. We're gonna go on that in just a minute. That's what takes you down to the pool, which is located right down there. So it's very close by. Just a beautiful outdoor space. Gorgeous. Got a little water spigot there, so if you want to water your plants, you can do that. Now, one thing to notice too, this unit, unlike most, actually has power roll down shutters throughout. So if there's a storm coming, all you got to do is hit these switches and the shutters automatically come down. Now that goes not only for the patio, but also the windows in the back, both in the kitchen and in the bedroom over here. So that makes prepping for a storm super easy, because all you got to do is hit the buttons. And now I'll send them back up. Easy peasy, as they say. All right, one more look at the ocean and the view. Look how clear it is today. It's just gorgeous. And then we'll head down, check out the pool. I love the pool here at Carden Beach. Let's head over there now. The unit's that way. These are the steps to the parking lot, and this is the ramp to the parking lot, the one we came down earlier. Now we're gonna head down this ramp, which leads to the boardwalk and straight over to the pool. Now we've reached the end of the boardwalk, through the gate, and here we are at this gorgeous pool. Lots of umbrellas, loungers. You've actually got a bench seat that runs the whole length of the backside. There's another one in the corner. Easy in, easy out steps, and then another set of steps up to the parking lot. So if you wanted to, you could drive here, but I mean, it's such a short walk, it doesn't really make sense. Then if you head down this gate, down these steps, you've got access to the waterfront. Nice. Anybody want to go for a snorkel? Let's do it. Man, I wish I really had brought my snorkel gear, but oh well. That's some crystal clear Caribbean Sea right there, baby. Woo, beautiful. Great place to launch a kayak or a paddleboard too, right down these steps. Well, if you guys want to check it out, give us a call. Love to show it to you. In the meantime, have an amazing, beautiful St. Croix day. Till next time, bye-bye. I really hope you guys enjoyed that property tour. If you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here. Click up here for more videos just like it. We'd love to see you move to beautiful St. Croix. Maybe one of these days we can make one of these awesome properties all yours.